When most people look at a refinery or chemical plant, it just seems like it's always running. But every so often, something huge happens behind the scenes, a turnaround or a shutdown. And when it does, it can bring in thousands of workers and completely change the rhythm of a plant and the surrounding community. A shutdown is exactly what it sounds like. Part of a plant, or sometimes an entire unit, is taken offline. This can happen for planned maintenance, inspections, equipment repairs, or major upgrades. And a turnaround is a large, planned shutdown event. It's when a facility stops normal operations so crews can do the kind of work that can't safely happen while the plant is running. That can include opening equipment, inspecting vessels, replacing valves, repairing piping, cleaning towers, rebuilding pumps, and making major improvements. Plants do turnarounds because industrial equipment doesn't last forever. Over time, things wear down. A turnaround gives the site a chance to stop, inspect, repair, and restart safely, and helping prevent breakdowns, improve reliability, and keep people protected. A plant that normally runs with its regular workforce can suddenly have hundreds or even thousands of extra contractors on site, all working in a tight schedule. During a turnaround, everything changes. Inside the plant, schedules become tightly controlled, work permits increase, and coordination becomes critical because so many jobs are happening at once. This is when the big work gets done. Sometimes it's maintenance or reliability work, or it's a chance to modernize the whole unit. A turnaround may only last a few weeks, but the planning behind it can take months or even years. Every task has to be planned, because once a unit is down, every hour matters. Turnarounds are some of the most intense periods in industry. There are more people, more simultaneous jobs, line openings, confined space entries, lifting operations, and more opportunities for something to go wrong if controls aren't followed. These events don't just affect the plant, they affect the whole area around it. Hotels fill up, stores get busier, roads get heavier traffic, temporary workers come in from all over. So even if you don't work in industry, a turnaround can still leave a noticeable mark on the local community. Turnarounds may not get much public attention, but they are one of the most important parts of keeping the industry running. They create a huge burst of work for skilled trades. So that's turnarounds and shutdowns, the mega events that can bring thousands of workers to a single site. Have you ever worked on a turnaround? Drop what you did in the comments, trade or role. I want to hear craziest turnaround stories, and let's see if we can top one another. Check out the website chemicalcoast.com for info on trainings and safety supplies.